So I was like, I'll just see him
Where you
today.
make me
He goes,
feel.
well, I wanted to come up too, and I'm like, well, I don't know what to tell you right now.
Damn. Oh.
I was like, well, I told her that you weren't very happy.
So she starts itching her neck.
Right. They said that they had some random people to get her car, and they filled up her gas tank, and they had to take them like wherever they needed to go.
Oh, fist bump!
Right.